These birds was across from the river from me, and when they decide to fly across, you'll see in this frame that they hit the ground coming pretty quick, going from right to my left. And I didn't get a chance to adjust the camera. I was just able to swing and get the shot on the bird as he stepped up and went full strut at 30 yards to my left. Well, folks, that's one of the deals you just couldn't get the camera on in time. These birds was across the river gobbling. I got worked in here and got to working on them. Actually flew across the river, and I'm sitting here at this holly tree down yonder where he come up and put full strut, stretched that old head out. And the lucky pink lady decided to do her work, and I let the 20 gauge bark, and that was the end of that. I'm now tagged out for West Virginia. Come Thursday, we're heading to Nebraska, South Dakota, and possibly Wyoming. It's been a pretty good spring. Hello everybody, this is Bruce Matthews from Full Strut Turkey Calls, post staffing for Kyle Clevenger and his calls. This morning, got on this bird, he was back into this farm and couldn't hardly hear him. He was down off across the river from me in the bottom over there. I could just barely hear him. It took me a while to get my bearings on where he's at. Worked my way down here and dropped off down toward the river on him and got to working him using Lucky Pink Lady. I'd used that call earlier and assisted on another bird, and so far the birds is really liking this call. I'm kind of partial to it. This is my second bird for the season. This tags me out. We're leaving this weekend, heading towards Nebraska and South Dakota and possibly Wyoming. So we're going to try the western birds. If you need calls and good stuff to work with, get a hold of Kyle Clevenger with Full Strut Turkey Calls, and I'm sure you're going to be pleased with what you get. He has a wide variety of calls. They do very well. I've been working through them this year. This is the fourth bird that I've gotten down that I've called in, and we had another bird that was a miss. So it's been a pretty good year so far. Actually, this is, I think, the fifth bird. So, yeah, they're starting to come around, I think. Like I say, this bird here was clear across the river. He had a buddy. They went up here about 32 yards. Of course, I looked for one to come in front, and they swing hard to the left, so I didn't get it on camera. But I've been trying to do a little video this year, the way people can hear these calls being run and see the results of them. Thanks again. Full Strut Turkey Calls.